It was a surprise that I could install macOS Ventura on my MacBook, especially my MacBook is a 2015 MacBook, which is unsupported device that don't support macOS Ventura, but parallel desktops help me for that purpose. This is the specifications of my MacBook. You can see that my MacBook is MacBook Pro with retinal display early 2015, which is unsupported device as stated in Apple's website. You can check the versions of Mac devices that can run macOS Ventura from Apple's website. As stated here, you must have at least a 2017 device. So in this video I will describe how to install macOS 13 macOS Ventura into an unsupported device as you can see here. The first step is to download macOS Ventura on unsupported device. Just open YouTube and search for my channel and you will find in the video section a video that describes how to download macOS Ventura on unsupported device. Follow the steps to get the installer. Then convert the installer into a bootable ISO image using the method described in this video. By following the two methods described in these videos, you will finally have an ISO image of the installer of macOS 13 into your desktop. Now it is time to download Parallel Desktop. You will find the download links in video description, which will lead you to affordable prices of their software. They have just released Parallel Desktop 18, which is suitable for Windows 11 and macOS Ventura and different Macs such as the M series and Intel devices. Also, you can download the free trial and complete the method as described without anything. Download the free trial without paying anything. Download Parallel Desktop. Now execute the installer. And complete the method normally. Now I have the installer in my device and the installation process will complete as normal. Just type your password. I have Parallel Desktop already installed on my device, so the installation can be skipped here, but normally you can install it as normal. I already have a version of Parallel Desktop installed on my device, so the installation will be skipped here. And it is a normal installation, you can complete it normally to get this screen. From here we can install macOS 13 just by dragging the created ISO image here. It's normal to say that it is unable to detect the operating system, no problem. Select the operating system, macOS. Press OK. It's macOS 13. Name it. Customize settings before installation and create an ally in your desktop. You can adjust the settings as shown here. Everything is okay, just you can increase the memory size to 4000 megabytes. And leave all the other settings as normal. Close this screen and press continue. Wait until the installation completed. It will be completed as normal installation of any macOS, but it may take some time. When you get to this screen, just select your preferred language. Now we are in the recovery mode. Select install macOS 13 beta. Continue. Continue. Select the hard disk that will be used for the installation. Now you can leave your MacBook about half an hour to complete the installation as normal, as any normal installation. From here you can complete the installation as normal. Installation of macOS 13 into the parallel desktops 18. Just select your country and complete everything as the normal installation. You can notice that the system is slightly slower, but this is a temporary case. Once the system is installed, everything will go smooth and everything will work perfectly. I will move faster in this part. Now welcome to macOS Ventura into your unsupported device, unsupported Mac, a fully function macOS 13 now in your device. Please don't forget to install parallel desktop tools, which will increase the speed of the macOS system.